welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to unbox. So I have a lot to unbox here and enjoy watching. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. So okay, we're going to unbox this one. I'm so excited. I know you're excited also what's in here, and I'm also excited because I spent $100 for this shopping. So I know it's a boost. My gosh, we will see. I'm not sure if you like it, but it's so beautiful. I can try this on. Okay, I will put this aside first. I'm gonna show you. This is how it looks like. So cute. Okay, put it there. Next is this one. I know what is this. This is for my wall. Some curtains. So I have some papers here. And then, well, I'm not gonna show you, but you can see it in my vlogging area. So studio. So I'm gonna put this in the wall design. So I'm just gonna put it here. Next is, since it's my birthday, hope to see you by February. I have also, oh, I thought it's a sticker, kind of sticker, but it's a fabric. So good, strong. Okay, I'm gonna design this in my studio room. So, happy birthday. So I'm gonna put it there. And also, this is the outfit of mine. This is my birthday outfit. So I have sash. So I'm not gonna show you. I'm gonna show you later. It's just a surprise. Put it there. I also have a crown because I'm a queen. So I bought myself a crown. So cute. I'm a queen. Okay, next is the dress. So I'm gonna dangle my lip flops. I have a lot of red. I love red. So this is also red. Kind of red maroon. We're going to try this on later. Next is purple. Oh, so cute. I love this one. Okay, I also have 2 rings. So I have a lot of 2 rings, and I'm going to make a separate unboxing for this so that I can show you how it looks like in my toes. So I'm gonna just put it aside. Next is, what's this? Oh, a pair of dress. So it's green. I have a lot of green stiletto pumps. So I'm gonna put it here. And also, I also have a lot of flip-flops, so different colors. So it's green and red. Oh no, black. Sorry, my bad. Okay, another red color, red dress. Sock. Oh, so cute. Look. It's nice. So this is all from Shein. Not a sponsored video. And I like to shop there because I know there's no scam, and also the price is not so expensive. I have an anklet here and some tourists. Yeah, I have tourists here. It's very nice. I'm gonna separate unbox with that. And I also have very nice. Wait a sec. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna show you. Super cute. I love this one. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna take off my anklet and I'm gonna show you this one also in the car. And we're gonna try on some of the dress that I unboxed today. Okay, I keep the, I will have to remove this one because I'm going to try on the boots. So I have the boots here with me. It's with zipper at the back. And the texture, the style is really beautiful. It's stiletto heels. Right? Am I right? So, okay. Zip it. So I had to tie up this one, but since it's loose, so it's quite a bit, takes time doing it. Pagawa ka na tubig. Tuwan na. Okay, next I'm going to try on some of the dress. Shorten. I love the fitting of this dress. Nice, no?
Hala.
Ngayon na itong picture ng baro.
Bakari. Umisa.
Ano na? Tara mo.
Naalin to.
Hi, so that's all for today's unboxing video, and I'm going to take off my boots. That's all for now, and see you again next video. Love you all.